everybody, it is time for a convertible Tara's must-have. This is one of my absolute favorite items that I have designed because of the total versatility. First and foremost, it's a beautiful cake plate. I love that I did the little sash or the fluting that runs around the edges here. I love that you have that beautiful top right here. This happens to be romance. But here's what I love. Why does it just have to be a cake stand? What happens to underneath? Well, what if I told you you could flip it over and now that underneath actually becomes a chip and dip where you have 4 great sections plus that center? What if I told you you could remove the center? It has a silicone ring. So again, you can put this directly into the oven, which is great. That silicone helps secure it. But now look, you have a separate 5 section if you wanted to use that for some of your crudités, for some of your chips and dips, all the different things that you're gonna wanna use. That's why I love this item, the ability to convert it from a cake plate also to a chip and dip. I wanna show you something, just housekeeping really quick. The way this is fired, you'll notice when you get it at home, there can be some blemishes here. That's where it sits in the kiln. It is completely fired. And so what happens is when they take that out, you might notice a little blemish, totally normal. Again, flip it over for your chip and dip, 5 section with that removable bowl. Love this on its own, by the way. P.S. and by the way. Or of course, use it as that great cake plate because you have that silicone seal. It keeps it nice and strong. All right, so look at some of the things we did here. This is a store-bought carrot cake, but then look what we did. We layered in some of my Easter cupcakes. By the way, that recipe is on temp-tations.com. You're definitely gonna wanna check that out. When you cut that in the center, big surprise comes out. So I love, again, the fact that you could chill this ahead of time and everything would stay nice and cold. Love that we also did brownies here. This recipe also is over on our Facebook page, Temp-tations by Tara Tesher. So you're gonna definitely wanna check that out. And then believe it or not, I think I did a little crudité. I think I wanna share with you truly one of the reasons why I'm going to drop that asparagus right there on the floor, but don't worry. I mean, I'll eat it later. Look at how fantastic this is. Because you can chill it ahead of time, I'm able to make this. Maybe this is store-bought and you're just putting it in the compartments. Maybe you've sliced it all. Maybe this is your dip, whether it's hot, whether it's cold. So many different great ways and uses that you can use this. Convertible cake plate. Only order of the year. We have no more coming in. So whether you love romance, whether you love woodland, whether you love old world, head over to temp-tations.com and check it out because this is one of the most versatile pieces that I've ever designed and something for everybody's collection.